Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make yeast raised waffles. So let's get started. So this part must be prepared the night before. In a large mixing bowl, add in the flour, sugar, instant dry yeast, and salt. Make sure the salt doesn't touch the yeast or it will kill it. Then whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the warm milk, butter that's been melted and cooled, and vanilla extract, which is optional. And mix them together just until they're combined. Don't worry about all the lumps, they'll work themselves out. Just try not to overmix the batter. Then wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and leave it at room temperature overnight. After it's been sitting overnight, separate the eggs, placing the yolks into the batter and the whites into a medium bowl. Mix the yolks into the batter. Then use an electric mixer to whip the egg whites until they form soft peaks. Try not to whip them to stiff peaks. Add the whipped egg whites into the batter and fold them in gently just until they're combined. Don't stir them in and don't overmix. You don't want to lose too much air. Then preheat the waffle iron until it's hot. Once it's ready, grease it if you need to. I don't because mine is non-stick. And scoop some of the batter into it, making sure the entire bottom is covered, but don't add too much. And cook them until they're browned to your liking. Then remove them from the iron and place them onto a plate. And continue cooking them until all the batter is used up. This recipe makes about 4 to 6 waffles. And I'm topping them with some whipped cream, macerated strawberries, and maple syrup. And that's how to make yeast raised waffles. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.